market cap, you can see the prices of crypto assets across the platform. Now on CoinMarketCap, you get access to lots of prices for the world's cryptocurrency. So it's currently the number one leading platform for tracking cryptocurrencies and assets. So here you can see the prices of assets such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ether. So BTC is currently at $30,632. Now if you go over to Binance, you can see the price for Bitcoin is currently at $60,671. So as of recording, there's about a gap of a price difference of $50 between these prices currently here. So this is one opportunity users can make. So if you are able to make, or for a user who wants to buy 1 BTC or 10 BTC, for that 10 BTC, you should be guaranteed of about $500 in profit, which is equivalent to about 300,000 naira in naira. So this is one opportunity most users have been using to take advantage of the market. It's called crypto arbitrage. So we've been able to use this opportunity to make as much as 100,000 naira within 30 days of using the Binance P2P platform. And this is because we've been a little bit lazy. We've been very lazy. There are users who are currently making this amount on a daily basis. This is their work. This is just their work, as in Nigeria. This is their work. So this tutorial, I'm going to show you the basic guides and basic tips that has been helping us to push through with this. So you want to look for the particular asset that is convenient for you. You can see USDT, which is in Theta, is currently at $0.99 here. Now one good thing is that most users do decide to buy this dollar from overseas or from other exchanges. Now if you're able to buy it from other exchanges, other platforms, or so, you can be able to take it directly to the Binance P2P. They usually sell it when you use your credit or your debit card. They usually the price that is being charged when you buy these assets are usually very minimal. Very minimal compared to the price you can sell it on Binance P2P. So this is one key factor or one advantage most users have been using. So you want to keep an eye on this. Now looking at the Binance blog article, there's an article here that talks about how to earn money with Binance P2P. So I'm just going to show you a quick overview about this so you can understand what we're looking at. Well, the main takeaways about this article is that the Binance P2P is a marketplace where you can directly trade crypto with other Binance users. The good thing here is that the price is being set. It's an individual basis, so you can decide to set your prices, and this is another opportunity which we'll be talking about in full. So next is that the Binance P2P facilitates crypto transactions in preferred payment method. So you get paid directly to your Naira bank account. Even though with the crypto restrictions in the country, it does not matter. You can still bypass and you get your money sent to your account. So in this article, you also learn why users prefer Binance P2P. So this is just an article talking about Binance P2P. Now, why trade crypto with Binance P2P? One, it is the industry leading security. You can buy and sell with zero fees. Now, one of the ways why we've been making lots of profit on the Binance P2P is because there's zero fee. There's zero fee. So, assuming there's a fee, it would have been cutting down on the profit and people won't be interested in using it. But now there's zero fee. All you need to do, you set an ad, and you can either set an ad, or you can either just go over and buy directly or sell directly on the platform. So it's zero fees, very minimal. Now, also looking at, you can also customize your trading. There are about 300 payment methods, so you can make local and international payments with the P2P option. Now, looking at how to start, you can select an asset to leverage, strategize your pricing. Now, strategizing your pricing works with both ways. Now, if you're a seller or if you're a buyer, you can strategize your selling. You can become a merchant. There's the Amazon merchant. Once you found your product or niche, you must ensure your profit margin exceed your cost. So that is one key factor. Make sure you're making a good profit from whichever transaction you're making on the platform. Now, the P2P merchant, when posting your P2P advertisement, you can choose between fixed or floating price. If USDT costs 0.99 US dollar, you want to earn 5%, you would set a fixed price of 1.04 US dollar. On the other hand, floating price adds fluctuates with the market. So if you want to buy USDT at the price, you can set a floating price margin of 100%. This is the pricing formula. So this is just some quick tips for you to know or how to go about it. Now, three P2P trading strategies. You can publish your own buy and sell ads. Now, publishing your own buy and sell ads is the most lucrative way. Is the most lucrative way, unless maybe you come across a seller or a merchant who has a very good price, and because of time you don't want to waste, you just want to nil off your transactions. So that's one way. You can also take advantage of crypto arbitrage, which is the core purpose of this tutorial, guys, to let you know that the Binance P2P has lots of profit. Now, the arbitrage is the practice of trading assets at different markets and profiting off the site price differences. So you can see with the scenario we just did on CoinMarketCap and Binance, you can see there are different prices there. Now, if you check out the particular each individual asset, you can see that these assets are listed in a lot of platforms. So you're going to open up these platforms and see the prices that these assets are. So the ones with the highest price, that's where you are eventually going to sell this particular asset. While with the place where it is cheaper, you want to buy from there and take it there. So you also want to know, say, example, BTC's price on the spot market and Binance is $43,000. On P2P market, it could be $43,841. So this is another key factor. This arbitrage works when you are doing the arbitrage directly on a particular exchange. Now, for Binance itself, you can also initiate arbitrage opportunities directly on Binance without having to go through the stress of sending your crypto asset from one exchange to another, or from one e-wallet to another. Now, you can arbitrate with fiat currency. So with your Naira, you can easily arbitrate using the Naira and your USDT. So it works in both ways. Now, for case study, say you want to buy BTC with euro, you can sell in the euro market, you can earn $510. So this is just a case study for users who want to check out the euro options for users using euro. Now, looking at three stories of people earning money through Binance P2P. So this should show you that there are lots of people using this as an everyday income. Now, one thing you should even know, in fact, is that if the P2P was not profitable, why is it that there are lots of people currently in the P2P market trying to place an ad, trying to sell? And why is the market so fast that whenever you place an ad, the market just, it's like the market is really a marketplace, because there are lots of people there. So it's crowd. Whenever you place an ad, before 5 minutes, 2 minutes, your ad has been initiated or has been filled. There's somebody wanting to buy your asset, and there's somebody wanting to take advantage of this opportunity. So that should give you an idea that it seems there's something beneficial about this whole crypto Binance P2P. Now, looking at it, this user talks about, I ended up using Binance P2P more than often because I found it easy to switch between posting my offers on Binance P2P with few taps. Now, the Binance P2P is very easy to use. You can also see here he said that I was able to turn to crypto as a full-time P2P merchant, and then a lot of people in my city wanted to get into it. Now, there are also opportunities where you can also be a merchant, where you can sell crypto to, you can create an offline shop. Although it needs to be a little bit low key because of the restrictions of the company, but if you walk around in the city, you can see that there are people collecting or receiving payments, or there are even exchanges or platforms that are currently coming up where they tell you that you can trade your crypto easily with them. So these people, they use the price difference, or they take advantage of the simple price difference. When you accumulate it, you see that you could be making as much as 100,000 naira in a day, guys, in a day. So this is a good opportunity that you should not be missing. Now, going over to the Binance P2P, let's take a walk through. For new users, you need to open an account to start benefiting from this. That's just the requirement. Once you open an account, you can verify your account. A link will be in the description box, which is our bonus link, our referral link. You give you discount bonuses and trading fee discount. Now, all you need to do, verify your account. You can fund your account, then you can go over to the Binance P2P and fund your account. You can also send in funds directly from whichever wallet you have your funds in, or you can buy directly with a credit card or debit card. Now, looking at the Binance P2P, here we have some funds. You can see we have some funds in our wallet, about $54 in our spot account. In our funding account, you can see we've placed ads already. We've placed lots of ad already. Now USDT, here you're able to see your available balance. Now you can see we have $15 that is currently in frozen. This is because this is part of the money we've set as an ad on the Binance platform. Now the minimum for you to set ads is usually about 100 USDT. That's $100. So we've sold some portion of it. Then we only have about $15 left, which we will be selling up. Now you can also decide to even hold these assets. When we sold these assets initially, I'll take note of these notifications and read them. When we saw this asset initially, the price of USDT was about $580, but now it's currently 580 naira, but it's currently now at 604 naira, guys. 604 naira. So you can see the price. This is where you can set your ad. This is where you can set your ad. So all you need to do, you could decide to be. You can click on the top icon here, and you can decide to use the P2P advertisement mode. The P2P advertisement mode gives you an opportunity to set your own ad to see the price differences. Now you want to see that for USDT here, you can buy USDT at 604 naira. There's only one user selling its own USDT at 601 naira, but you want to take note of the limit. Now, if you want to streamline it, for users to know what all you need to do is, let's say you want to sell 100,000 naira worth of USDT, or you want to buy, you can see that the cheapest price is 604 naira, 4 naira. Now you want to check for users accepting bank transfer. So you want to look for people doing what you want to do, so you can know how profitable you can make profit from. Now 604 naira here, meaning if you set your ad, you can set your ad at 604 naira here. Then one thing, you can go over to the P2P, which is the Binance spot trading. Now on the Binance spot trading, you want to see that USDT to Naira is currently, one USDT is currently being sold at 617 Naira. So if you can buy at 604 Naira, all you need to do now is just to take it directly to, is just to go over to the Binance spot exchange, the USDT you bought at a cheaper price. You just to go there, and once you've got in there, all you need to do is just to buy and take it directly to our Binance spot exchange and convert it. Now you can repeat. Okay, you can see that the price difference is about 10 naira or 15 naira. Now you can repeat this as much as possible. When you repeat this for up to like 10 times or 100 times in a day, because it could be, it is unlimited, you can repeat it as much as possible. When you keep repeating it, you get to see that on the long term, you're even making more money than doing it from the comfort of your home, than even going out to for a day job or more. So this is one opportunity. There are even lots of assets with a larger price difference. So this is one. So you want to know that there are several ways to benefit. You can arbitrage on the Binance P2P. If you look through Binance P2P, you find that crypto prices differ, and depending on the offers, payment method, or local currency, and all you need to do is find a profitable price and you're good to go. And also the arbitrage between spot and P2P market is key too. You want to keep an eye on that. Process is similar to the first technique, and requires some extra steps. You can find lower price tokens on this platform. There are about you have BTC listed here, BUSD, BNB, ETH, NGN, and more. Then you can also see arbitrage across different platforms, which you can find lower prices and sell higher. So this is one good technique you can use, guys. This is one good technique you can use. There are users currently. You also want to check out some of these platforms that are listed here, if you can easily purchase from them. Now some users may go over and buy crypto from let's say cheaper cash, or buy dollars from USDT, to be precise, to buy from some of these platforms such as TransferWise. We have Alipay here, we have CoinPay here, we have Sirat ATM, we have ADV Cash, we have WeChat, we have lots of them. So if you can buy at a cheaper price here, if you want to check the price rate and you're not sure, you want to initiate a $1 transaction. When you initiate a $1 transaction, you'll be notified if it's the rate at which that transaction push through. So this is how you can easily make your profit on the platform. Guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to leave us a like video. If you have any questions, let us know. See you in our next video. All you need to do is to click on here. You can navigate to advertisement mode, navigate to the advertisement when you get access to this opportunity, and you can now place your own ad and sell at your own preferred price. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to use the Binance P2P platform. Now, new users will get opportunity. New users who buy up to $100 will get an opportunity to get 5 BUSD cashback. So this is on the first come first serve basis. So you want to register and start benefiting now. So one love, thank you for watching, and see you in the next upload.